At Motorcycle.com, we'll go to the ends of the earth to bring you a good story. This time we only had to go halfway around the globe. The buzzword of this new ZX-10 is traction control, or wheel spin control, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's a true traction control, but this thing gets off the corners so well, and you can really dial it on, and it's just a blast to ride.
I'm Carl Edmondson, Sport Bike Product Manager for Kawasaki Motorsport USA. Famous Losail International Speedway for the World Press Intro of the all-new 2008
This new ZX-10 still has outrageous power of the old bike, but you can forget everything else about the old one because this is massively improved.
One quick lap around this track, and it's very obvious that this is a completely new motorcycle. The focus or development concept of the ZX-10 has always been to be a track-focused, race-oriented motorcycle. But for 2008, Kawasaki has taken that philosophy one step higher to create a bike that's even more track-oriented and race-focused. It all adds up to a bike that has far better rider feedback than ever before, greater performance, quicker, lighter handling, and very razor-sharp throttle response. This is a motorcycle, again, that was designed and developed for racetrack use. However, with that said, it also makes for a great street bike as well.
This thing is sharper, better handling, more manageable, and it even looks a whole lot better. Sounds pretty good too. Just came off my last session of the day. This thing was amazing and one of the best track experiences of my life. Get on the power. I just think that this is going to be a tough bike to beat in the upcoming leader bike battle. The new CBR 1000 better be a good one, because this thing rocks.